Ready? There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare.
See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitches, bring me at the dawn. The stars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The stars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making how down there is my own big shame. The stars of your love, they remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The stars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hands, and you played it to the beating. You could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hands, and you played it to the beating. Blow your soul through every corner. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure. No, you'll pay me back in kind, and this is what you saw. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. Yo, yo, yo. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hands, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hands, and you played it to the beating, to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Cut. How was that?
That was a good cover video. I don't know.
Can I go now? How was this one? Daddy, did I do great?